Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off the Instance feature on Instagram so you can hide it from your inbox and stop getting Instance notifications and reactions. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you are on the home screen, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap the menu icon in the top right corner to open your Instagram settings. After that, scroll down and select Content Preferences. Here, tap on Hide Instance in Inbox and enable the option to remove Instance from your inbox section. Next, go back to the main settings page and tap on Notifications. Scroll down until you find Instance and open it. From here, turn off Instance notifications. You can also disable emoji reactions if you do not want to receive reactions related to Instance. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off the Instance feature on Instagram.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!